Welcome, and let's take a look at West Virginia computer science standards. West Virginia actually has really good computer science standards, and when you look at what they've done, they've actually taken a good deal of steps to create solid standards and content for teaching computer science. So 2019, the West Virginia Board of Education, they adopted the mandatory computer science standards for all students. This is kind of an overview of some of the things that they want to do. Empowered learners, digital citizenship, knowledge constructor, innovative designer, computational thinker, creative communicator, and a global collaborator. So the descriptions are there for you to read if you wish, but let's move on with the rest. So one of the things West Virginia really wants to do is have a really strong college and career readiness program. So they've have a lot of CTE pathways, which we're going to look at right now, that students can take to try to get ready for college and career readiness. So they have adopted the standards in 2019. Right now, as it is of this recording, all high schools in West Virginia must offer at least one computer science course. So they've actually identified quite a few courses here, and Rex Academy aligns with many of them quite nicely. Of course, they have both AP CS courses and IB courses if people wish to take them. And again, I've created the entire list for everyone to kind of look at and take note of the third column. These are the CTE pathways that they've listed, and there's quite a bit of things here that are useful for a student. And finally, a computer science course in West Virginia may count as a fourth math credit or a science credit towards graduation. So again, as of this recording, the state has some computer science endorsements, but there is no official one. There is no certification program in place. In most situations, the Praxis exam, which is a common exam used throughout the United States, is used. Okay. And West Virginia does align fairly similarly to CSTA and ISTE, so the following core computer science concepts have been created. Again, for those of you who recognize CSTA standards, these are very much in alignment with what they do, so West Virginia and CSTA should very much be similar to each other. And then according to Google and Gallup, here's an interesting statistic. 64% of principals in West Virginia believe that computer science is just as, if not more important than the current crop of required core classes. So remember everyone, core classes are things like English, geometry, algebra, physics, chemistry, biology, things of that nature. Since West Virginia aligns similarly to CSTA and many other states, the recommendations from Rex remain consistent. We feel that this is a great pathway to follow for most students. So here's high school, and of course there's middle school, and finally there is elementary. Our charts for pathways remain in place as they always have. And finally, in West Virginia, since they have their standards a bit better developed, we are comfortable offering these certifications for their systems. Okay, that's it for West Virginia.